So let's talk about the dashboard in Easynote. Dashboard in Easynote gives you an overview of everything that you need to do across all projects. Not only you, but your entire team. So you can always know who's doing what, when, where, how, what, and the options are, the sky is really the limit. So let's get started, and let me show you in this video how you will actually create the dashboard and how it's working. So in the left corner here, you can click to go to the dashboard. And if you don't have a dashboard already, you can click here to create your own one and name it My Own Dashboard. Now, once we have created a dashboard, to the right, we are getting different gadgets. What's important to know is that you can add unlimited number of gadgets to each dashboard. And you can create how many dashboards you would like to. So let's just add a gadget. So we have added a task gadget, we can add a projects gadget, we can add a files gadget, and we will release soon a chart gadget. And if I would like to, I can click here, then I can see my own dashboard, and I can create another one, my second. Here we go. And in this dashboard, then I can add any gadgets I would like to. And then I can filter the different projects I would like to see here. So maybe in this gadget, I'm only seeing my finance project, and here I can get everything else. I can get all the projects. So you really are filtering the data how you would like to. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to talk about the task widget individually, the project ones, and the file ones. So we go through each and one of those separately. All right. And one last thing to remember. Each team member and in your team is creating they are creating their own dashboard. So basically they are deciding how and what they would like to have on their own dashboard. So it's not like you create one and then everybody needs to see it how you create it, but actually they can go in and create the dashboard how they would like to have it. So there you go. All right. See you on easynote.com, and let's continue the discussion about these three different gadgets. Thank you.